Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Roblox Fleet and Facility and the level 1428 is Beast. Let's see if I can beat him. This is gonna be a really tough game. I don't know why you typed that in the chat, public. When you did that by accident, maybe? Because you need to put it in private chat, because then the Beast is gonna be killing us today. Someone's already hit. Oh. Hey, what? Ow! Help, help. I wish someone had voice chat, because then this would be easier a bit. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, we're alive, we're alive. We're all alive. There we go. Well, I just woke up and someone's already captured. Well, he's not losing health. Never mind. Okay. They're kind of busy right now. Okay, they both got captured. No! Yeah, we've lost this one. It's too good already. Yeah, you guys save while I hack because we need someone to hack. He's dead. Nope. He's dead. Sorry, bro. It's like he's camping, bro. camper. Such a camper. You could have killed me with it, but I guess you didn't want to. Or my E? You did so. You're dead sorry. He was camping. He's a camper. Okay, I'm gonna end it there for this video. Because he's a camper. I'm gonna leave the server and join a different server. So, see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And a comment down below. And yeah, that should be it. So, see you guys in the next one. Peace.